In front of me is REALME GT7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Security and Privacy. Then scroll all the way down to tap on app lock and hit Got it. Now you need to use gray sweater next to app lock and set up privacy password you will use to unlock your apps. To do that, hit Settings, tap on Use a different password type and pick the best one. Create it, repeat it, and answer security question. Or if you don't like it, click on it, pick one of those. Or if you don't like any of them, just create your own. Set up recovery email just in case you'll forget your app lock password, and hit confirm at the top right corner. Then hit done. Click on gray sweater next to an app to lock it and decide if you wish to unlock it using your fingerprint too by choosing one of those options. So when I try to access my app, I can see that privacy password is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!